When your car breaks down, what's the first thing you do? You search auto repair near me, right? Most people find mechanics online, not driving by. So if your shop isn't showing up on Google, you're invisible. Step 1. Claim and optimize your Google business profile. Add your hours, photos, services, and post weekly updates. Active profiles show up higher and faster. Your website needs a regular tune-up too. Add service pages for brakes, oil changes, and diagnostics. Make it fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Post short blog tips like 5 signs you need new brakes. Shoot quick videos explaining simple fixes, even on your phone. Educate your audience, and they'll remember you when it counts. Partner with local businesses or sponsor events. Every link back to your website is like a digital referral. Use Google Ads for speed. Use SEO for long-term growth. Together, they keep your bays full all year. Share photos, reply to reviews, and post real moments from your shop. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people they trust. Want to climb the Google rankings and bring in more local drivers? Get your free SEO audit at marketinggear.com.